Now let us talk about functions. So functions are built-in formulas that perform specific tasks. Now there are a few ways to find the syntax of a function in Excel that you would like to work on but do not know exactly how to use it. One of the ways is to go to the Help tab, which we saw earlier. So go to the Help here and then search for the function that you want. For example, you can say syntax for sum function, and Excel will help you with that. Let me close this as of now. Another way is to use the Insert function dialog box. For that, go to the Formulas tab. Now first you have to click on the cell where you want to insert this function. Then click on the Insert function button. You can see that as soon as we click the Insert function, an equal to sign appears in the selected cell. So here it says that you can search for a function. So you can type in a brief description of what you are looking for. There are also some frequently used functions listed over here. Other than that, there are functions classified into categories based on their usage, which makes it easy for the user to search. For example, you have categories such as financial, date and time, mathematics and trigonometry, and things like that. So you can select the particular category based on the function that you are looking for and then go further. Right now I have selected all. Let us go back to the most recently used. Now say for example, I want to find the maximum or the largest value in a given set of values. So I will select this and click on OK. Now here it asks for the range. Here it has automatically picked the range N8 to N16. This is exactly the range that I need. But if this is not the case, all you have to do is just go to the first cell and drag it across the rest of the cells. That's it. And click on OK. So here you can see that it has found that 1800 is the largest number in this range. Another way to find a function is formula autocomplete. For that, what you have to do is, you have to just start typing the name of the function in a cell. For example, I want to change the branch name from sentence case to all uppercase. For this, what I will do is, I will type equal to, and then since I have a fair idea of what that function would be, I will start typing upper. So UPP, and you can see that it is already being listed here along with a short description of what this function does. So it says convert a text string to all uppercase letters. So I will hit tab. So now you can see that the function is selected and we can also see the syntax of it, which says text. So as the argument for this function, I will select the cell which I want to convert to uppercase and then hit enter. So you can see that California is now converted to uppercase. Now if you want the whole range to be converted, that is also equally effortless. Just click on upper, tab, and here as the argument, instead of a single cell, you can provide a whole range of cells. So here I have selected a range of cells and hit enter. So it says that because there were multiple values that were selected, it has spilled across multiple cells. So this is how you can look for a function that you want to apply on your data.